Like he said, see, you have him right there. Hello everyone, Teller44 here, welcome back to another reaction video. Today I'm going to look at SMG4 Despicable Mr. Puzzles. Okay, I'm guessing the arc wasn't done. And now, okay, so before I get into this, I just want to let you know, if you guys have not seen, I just looked at the SMG4 War of the Fat Italians 2024, and I think that concluded the whole entire arc. So yep, let's go. That's just so nice. Warning, comedy zone.
Pull my hat. I don't care. Grab my hat. I'll carry on in the game. It's so hot. I smoke pot.
Yep, this is before the finale, the waterfall. SMG4's Mean Factory.
The comedy zone! The secrets of SMG4's success, right for the taking. With it, I'll finally be able to surpass those idiots and be the most famous of all!
Lakey.
Hey guys, it's me, Luigi!
All right, you little cockroach. You've been captured by I, Mr. Puzzles. From now on, you're gonna help me get in.
Not having that much luck. Oh, okay, I get it, because this is referencing that one part of Despicable Me, the first one. Despicable Mr. Puzzles.
Some people are about to be run over.
Like you.
Oh, sweet home.
Oh, family! It sure is a beautiful day today, isn't it?
You bet it's a wonderful day.
The heck is that?
Oh, that neighbor we know, man. What a nice guy.
So I'm guessing Mr. Puzzles is supposed to be Guru.
Stupid contraption.
I'm guessing he's a minion.
Minions, assemble!
And I'm guessing Leggies is the minions.
Yes, thank you all. Now,
Thank you.
Now, my friends, as you all know, I've been working on something very big behind the scenes, with help from my good friend, Dr. Nefario. who's also done a great job with the power generator.
Somebody's gotta charge the electric eels
G3?
Today, I have come up with the crime of the century. The most evil heist imaginable. Where even the most vicious villains will freeze in astonishment. We are going to steal
The moon? Yep, I know.
Sure about that.
Who'd you talking about, Willis?
There's already someone stealing everything. By the rate they're going, they'll be stealing the moon in no time. Maybe we can steal something else, like Pluto, or a can of beans or something. I don't know.
If they want to steal the moon, they'll have to get it from us first! Who's with me? Dr. Nefario? It's time to start building.
Let me turn off the subtitles. I mean, there's subtitles on the I'm just talking about the subtitles. Yeah. Are they building the rocket?
Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce to you the epitome of evil engineering. The one and only Puzzle Voyager!
So who's gonna be Vector of this?
Version 0.00000.
You're doing good, lad!
You're right. My ladies, I know this ship may not look as daunting and impressive as me. Remember this, my little monkeys. The size of the ship doesn't matter. What matters is the villain behind it. I am the pinnacle of genius. I will define a legacy that will be remembered long after the stars have burned out and the planet has crumbled to dust. Onward to infamy, to immortality, to the moon! Quit your squirming! I'm trying to get ready for my grand exit to space! Okay, fine. You can be the navigator.
Opening launch bay doors. Commencing launch sequence. And we are good to go.
Hey, golly, this is no time for a snack, Mr. Trouble.
Mr. Trouble?
We made Vector here! Oh, it won't be long now, little lady. The moon will soon
Be his.
ours.
Well, that's not the move. That's a. That's there? That's there?
If I can help it, that moon is
SMG
mine!
4?
Oh, and when I
Is
get
Vector?
my evil hands on the moon, I'm gonna make some dope moon cheese pizza.
Hey, that's my moon! Go steal Pluto or something! Oh, come is that fair?
Is that the best you can do? Hurry this, you filthy casual!
Well, he's dead.
Oh, well, you actually found it out.
I could have totally gotten that myself.
Perfect. Now I can have some Goomba soup to go with my moon pizza.
Okay, do you have like more leggies?
God.
No, you idiot. It's me, Dr. Nefario. You left the radio on. Use the force of advanced weaponry to kill that thing.
Are you still half asleep? I already tried all my weapons, Einstein!
No, listen. I installed a secret weapon that will help you take down the Death Star. It should be the glowing button on your left.
What?
Oh, sorry. I meant my left, not yours. This cannon is filled with feral leggies that have gone a whole 3 hours without internet. If you can manage to shoot them through an exhaust port on the Death Star, they'll wreak enough havoc to get you inside. You only got one shot, so make it count.
I'm pretty sure he's probably gonna mess it up.
Huh?
You go to Pizza Hut or something. Or Domino's. Or whatever.
Give me back my leggy.
Oh, my dead body.
Dude, you have over 1 million leggies at home. See, you have them right there.
There's no escape. Don't make me destroy you. If only you knew the power of the leggies. Join me, and we can take the moon together.
I'll never join you. My father said to never trust strangers.
I'm no
Then what are you?
stranger.
I am your...
Oh, that was too terribly close for my liking. Thank you. I can't rest now. He's still got a moon to steal.
Oh, wow.
Moon is ours! So sweet, delicious victory! Now, all that's left to do is... find a way out.
Atari?
Great job getting the moon, you two. Now come on back home. Hello? Anyone there?
Okay.
Oh, my beautiful head. What in the world happened? Ah, yes, now I remember. I got trapped in one of my own wacky puzzle vision adventures! I'm stealing the moon.
Was he doing like the fairy occurrence person guy or whatever he was? Teacher?
was it?
Mr. Crocker, or whatever his name is.
When I first met you, I thought you were weird and annoying. And you are. You're the weirdest little gremlin I've ever met. However, throughout our adventure, you've proven yourself to be a decent sidekick. Perhaps you're not completely useless, as I originally thought. I suppose what I'm trying to say is, as far as little gremlins go, you're decent.
Excuse you? I am not nice. I'm a cold-blooded villain, young lady. You would do well to treat me with the respect I deserve. Cease your laughing. We are not friends, nor are we buddy-buddy.
Oh, you're going to help me get to the comedy zone? Oh, how joyous! Doesn't it feel wonderful to be on the side of true villainy?
Wow.
Oh, how delightful! Good job, my little minion. It's time. The comedy zone. I will finally be super popular. We'll, work on your evil laugh.
Now, let's not dilly-dally any further.
The comedy zone awaits.
Okay.
Don't you just love it when a plan comes together?
I mean, sure. I mean, oh, okay. Well, all right. Well, that was Despicable Mr. Puzzle. Yeah. Well, and again, we already know what's gonna happen. I mean, we saw the whatchamacallit, so, yeah. So anyway, guys, like, share, subscribe, comment. You already know what to do. Go subscribe to SMG4. Recordville will be in the description. And this is Teller44 signing out.